Ever wondered why Napoleon was always pictured with his hand in his coat? Was it a fashion statement or something more? Now, you might think, oh, he was just being a trendsetter. But the truth might surprise you. Contrary to popular belief, this pose was not a fashion fad. In fact, it was due to a stomach ailment that Napoleon had. Yes, you heard it right. His iconic pose was actually a way to ease his stomach discomfort. So next time you see a portrait of Napoleon, remember it's not just style, it's stomach troubles. Did you know a king once waged war on the sea? Sounds absurd, right? But it happened. King Canute of England, in a flamboyant display of power, decided to command the sea to retreat. Picture the scene: a royal entourage, a throne on the beach, and one very determined king. The tide, however, had other plans. Despite Canute's royal decree, the sea stayed put. The lesson here? Even the mightiest of kings can't control nature. So remember, no matter how powerful, one can't command the sea. Ever thought about how your favorite potato chips came into existence? Picture this. It's 1853, and a chef named George Crumb is in the kitchen. A customer sends back his fries, complaining they're too thick. Instead of taking it on the chin, George decides to play a little prank. He slices the potatoes paper thin, fries them until they're crispy, expecting the customer to hate them. The result? The customer loves them, and voila, potato chips are born. So, the next time you enjoy those crispy chips, remember they were born out of a chef's spite. History isn't just dates and battles, is it? We've journeyed through unexpected beginnings, laughed at unbelievable royal decrees, and marveled at surprising inventions. We've seen how a twist of fate can launch an empire, how a king's whim can change the course of a kingdom, and how a simple idea can revolutionize the world. These fun stories from history show us that every moment, every decision, every invention has a story behind it. So remember, history can be as entertaining as it is informative. Stay curious and you'll discover more such fun facts.